Good afternoon, I'm Andre. For today's video, we're going to cook braised garlic chicken. For the ingredients, we have this chicken, like entice, soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the salt, dried herbs, this one is rosemary, and the pepper, 40 cloves of garlic, flour, and the white wine. And this is also the chicken stock. For the things that we need is this one, a heavy skillet, tong, spatula, and the fork to mash the garlic later on in the bowl. First, we need to marinate the chicken. This is already washed and dry. First, we need some salt, the rosemary, and the black pepper. Mix it all together and make sure you nicely coat the chicken. After this, you have to put the soy sauce. After the chicken is coated with the oyster sauce, you have to put the half of this, the olive oil. While we are marinating the chicken, we need to preheat the oven for about 200 degrees Celsius. Now it's time to sear the chicken. First, we need a hot skillet. Remember the 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Spread it around. Make sure to sear it in the skin side down first. After the chicken is already brown, you need to take it off in the pan. After that, turn off the heat and put all the garlic. Turn on the heat in a low and saute the garlic. We only want to saute the garlic until it's lightly brown. Then we put back the chicken. We need to put this foil for the chicken and cook all the way in the oven to prevent it from burning. We need to put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, it's already cooked. And look at the garlic. It's soft. And first, we need to transfer it in the serving tray. Now let's get some half of the garlic. And then we need to mash it. Once our pan is already hot, we need to put the white wine. And put it our garlic, the mashed garlic. Put a little bit of flour to thicken up the sauce. And put some chicken stock. And here's our final product, the braised garlic chicken. And here you can see our final product, the braised garlic chicken.